Look what we have here, one of the nicest 1969 AMC AMXs I have seen. This thing is restored beautifully. Claimed to have just under 50,000 actual miles, a one owner from 1976 until recently, and it has been detailed and dialed in. Loaded up, tilt wheel, console, automatic, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, and more. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is a good looking body style. It's got all sorts of stuff going on. I like this little design with the fake louvers in there and the bulges, and really good looking. And this one's all straight, lines up, fits beautifully. Looking down the side of the car, it looks fantastic. All smooth, straight. All the lines are right on the money. All nice, clean. The pillars got no cracking. The roof is real nice. Jambs are painted real nice. Nice solid thunk. All this is looking really good. Love this quarter panel. This reminds me of a 69 Camaro body line. And then it has these like wings. Just very cool design, the sunken rear window. And again, all of this is looking great. I'm checking out the body for you right now, and it's all straight, smooth, fits real nice, all fantastic. All the way down to the bottom. Look at the reflection of my hand. All nice, clean, smooth. Nice. Even this design in here, just got a lot going on. It's actually a sports car. This and the Corvette and the T-Bird. Well, the T-Bird was only for 3 years there, a sports car. Painted its original Bittersweet color. It's a metallic color with a clear coat. It's shiny, it's glossy. It has the stripes package on there, the black stripes. The chrome, the bumper looks like it's redone. The grille, all the trim, that all looks very nice. There's a little tiny little rock chip that might have been touched up at one time. So if you look close, you might find a couple real insignificant flaws, but overall it's beautiful. Marker light looks real nice. Now it has reproduction Goodyear polyglass redline tires. The Magnum 500 wheels look new, and boy, they are sharp on any car you put them on. They look great. The windshield, probably original, has some light marks on the surface, but real nice. All the trim is real nice. Even the rocker moldings, the door handles, all looks good. AMX right there. The 390 emblem, which this one has. Rear bumper looks really sharp. Tail light lens, I don't see any cracks in it. The whole piece looks really good. So the outside of the car is looking really nice. Got a remote mirror over here that looks real nice. Let's open it up. You're going to like the detail inside. All right, let's look inside the trunk. It's finished off very nicely. Painted, has the sticker, has a light going to a trunk light. This does have the optional lamp group. The jamb is nice. The weather strip's replaced. Look how clean it is inside. The spattered paint's real nice. Has a nice mat. The complete collapsible spare with the air bottle and the jack assembly. All looking really good. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll get notified as new videos are posted. Yeah, door jambs are real nice looking. Weather strips are replaced. Sill plate is shiny. This has a legendary interior. The name came with a certificate. It's concourse quality interior. Excuse me. It's a nice tan color. Look at the door panels. They look beautiful. It has the speakers built into the doors. This whole dash area is mint. Look at the heater control panel, the factory tachometer, the gauges. All of this is just really, really nice. All the trim, bezels, lenses. The center section's real nice. These are your AC vents. This is AMX number 2267. Yeah, AM FM radio. All clean. This is all nice and clean. Yeah, it must be locked. Kick panel's nice. Light works. Beautiful carpet. Nice embroidered mats. Has the center console with the shift command shifter. Original seat belts in excellent shape. The seats have got new cushions because they're nice and firm. These are reclining seats, and then they've been reupholstered. Again, it's all legendary. Carpet fits beautifully front to back. It has speakers back here and in the doors. Look at all the trim. Everywhere you look, it's all done real nicely. It has the headliner. These all do that. They pop down, but it's in really great shape, and they all do that. It has optional shoulder belts. Visors look really nice. Air conditioning instructions. It has a beautiful steering wheel on a, horn works, on a tilt column. Really, really nice, tidy interior. Pretty much immaculate. It's a strong running 390 motor that's in there. Just look at how detailed it speaks for itself. But it looks stock, the carburetor, manifolds, the air cleaner with all the stickers, even this heat riser tube. Normally that's the stuff that goes to the wayside. You take the air cleaner off and that gets left on a bench. Chrome valve covers, that's what it came with. You see the whole engine bay, the firewall, all the components look real nice. The right hose clamps. Here's the VIN number right here. Nice battery, all secured down properly. Look at the stickers and the rubber flaps and the right hose clamps. All this is really detailed. Air conditioning, power steering, the distributor, the vacuum advance, the plug wire holder, everything looks great. Power brakes, electric wipers, hood insulation, everything's painted beautifully. That's show quality, that's detailed right there. And Michael's going to show you just how nice it runs. That's a 390 making 315 horsepower.
All right, everybody. Man, this has got to be one of the nicest AMXs around. Top quality restoration, in my opinion. Absolutely meticulous and very well done. If you are detail oriented, I would encourage you to take a long, hard look at this car. You're going to be hard pressed to find one that is more detailed than this one. It's absolutely fantastic and I really love it. Great running 390 under the hood. Sounds fantastic. Started up easy for me. And that's paired up with the good old shift command automatic transmission. Just a breeze to use here with this power steering. See how easy that is. Nice clean idle. Let's see what she's got. I'm excited. And just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour, folks. What a true performer. Nice size V8 in this little car. Does it for me every time. I can't get enough of driving these things, and this one is as good as they get. Let's see how it goes down the road here. Pretty good alignment there. Maybe a little right, but nothing extreme. This is a well put together car. No disappointments for the new owner. That is for darn sure. Come take it for a test drive if you don't take my word for it. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So even underneath, the car is really well restored. All the suspension and steering components, they all look fresh. I mean, they look like the motor, all detailed. Has a real nice dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. Brake system's been redone. Everything under there is just really nice, neat, tidy. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. The starter's clean. The shift command automatic transmission, all that just looks really fresh. Even the rear end is painted up real nicely and looks fresh. All the bolts on the cover. The fuel tank looks fresh. It's an undercoat car, and that's been cleaned up and dusted with some black paint, so that looks nice and fresh. It's detailed underneath. Really nice car, one of the nicer or nicest AMXs that I've seen. Beautiful color, the Bittersweet. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get your 1969 AMX delivered home. And if you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.